Good evening, everybody. It's your boy Crypto Chad here. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. And today, so I wasn't planning on making a video. Right now it's about 12:36 in the morning, the Saturday, September 2nd. And so I made this video because I wanted to address what's going on in the market. The Bitcoin, Bitcoin hit an all-time high, guys, of $5,000. Pretty cool, as you can see here. If we just go to Bitcoin news, Bitcoin $5,000 price hits historic milestone, $5,000 mark, 4,800, 5,000. Okay, so it's climbed to 5,000, and everyone in the crypto space is calling it's going to be a bull market, it's going to be a bear market. No one really knows, but the point is we haven't had a correction. We haven't had a red day for a very long time. It's been like almost a month since we haven't had a red day, and finally we're seeing one right now. So Bitcoin went up to $5,000. It dropped right down to $4,600. Okay, and along with that, when Bitcoin drops, everything else drops. So you can see Ethereum down $30, Ripple down back 2 cents down, Litecoin down $10. Litecoin hit 90 something dollars, you guys. What? Where did that come from? Dash still kind of staying and maintaining that area. That graph doesn't really look good, but relatively it's been the same price. NAM lost about 4 cents, IOTA lost 7 cents, Monero lost a couple, like maybe 10-20 bucks. Ethereum lost $2 after going up for 22. Neo actually went up a little bit, which is interesting. Only Say Go went down a little bit. 8share, Quantum, BitConnect, Lisk, Stratus, Zcash, Waves, everything went down because Bitcoin went down. And actually, EOS is still the same area. So this is a reminder to all of you guys. Like, we're not going to be in this greenness all the time. Like Bitcoin is not ready to take off and be a global currency yet. There's so many bugs to work out. And there's going to be more. This is just part of the market cycle, and I really want you guys to look up a market cycle, understand what it is. We're in the hype stage right now, and this thing could go down to 3,000 tomorrow. I mean, it really could. It really could. And that's why I made a couple videos back, talking about what would you do if the market fell by 90%. This is inspired off of Chris Dunn. And you just got to be prepared. Don't get too emotional. But it looks like as soon as Bitcoin hit that 5,000, it just tanked. And going back, we're now back at 166. So 167 billion almost, because it's 166.9. 167 billion. Okay, the market recap video I made earlier in the day, we were at 177 billion. And it went up to about 180 while I was gone. And we got $10 billion. Like that, almost overnight, just added to the cryptocurrency verse. And I said, we haven't had a correction for a while. What's going on? And we just added 10 billion to the market cap, and that was kind of too fast. That was a little too fast, you guys. A little too fast for my comfort. So, and we saw the result of that. Okay, so let's just take a look at this graph right here. You can see. We had a correction, and then we went up a little bit, came back down, and then we skyrocketed up. Look how fast that growth was. Okay. So are we going to see that again? I'm going to go with the 7-day chart. So look at this. This does not look good at all in the short term. This might go down even further, and then it might shoot back up. This is the market cap, though. And, this is just what this is what I wanted to say. We're coming towards possibly some bearish action. Some people were calling out a bull market. September's going to be a bull market. It's possible. It's possible. But I personally didn't see it. And look at that trading volume went up by 2 billion since I made my video a couple hours ago. Just, see, so many people are buying the Bitcoin. The hype is so high right now. But I figured as soon as we hit a psychological barrier, we're going to see some profit takings. And that's exactly what happened. $10 billion that was added in a day was lost in a day, or less than a day, lost in like 12 hours. So just to keep you guys grounded, man, like, I know Bitcoin is awesome and it's the shit and it's super hypey. Just chill. Just just relax. Just be rational. Understand that this is very volatile and it's not going to go up forever. There are market cycles and it does apply to Bitcoin. So anyway, so hopefully this straightens out. But remember the weekend dip. For all you new crypto traders, there used to be a thing called the weekend dip, and usually every single weekend, starting on usually on the Friday, mid Friday, the markets would kind of tank. And for some reason, I can't remember the reason, don't know why, but every single time people would always take profits on the weekends. And we might see that again. This might go down for the next couple days, and then it might shoot back up on Monday. We don't really know, but is Bitcoin ready for $5,000 yet? And we don't know. I think it is. I think we're probably going to maybe fall to 4,000 at the most, maybe 3,000 something. It really depends. If enough people sell and panic, this thing could go down back to 2,000. And it's a very scary prospect, but it's very possible. Very possible. So, and the Bitcoin dominance is almost at 46%. So about 0.8% was added to that from 12 hours ago. And as a result, if you're not holding, okay, again, you guys want to look at your BTC value. Don't look at your dollar value, because the dollar value is going to fluctuate all the time. The BTC value is the key. You want to accumulate more Bitcoin. You want to accumulate more crypto, not dollars, because you can be holding on one Bitcoin. You still have one Bitcoin, but your dollar valuation is always going to fluctuate. So you really want to, the focus is growing your Bitcoin value. That is the focus. And just today, at my work, I had managers coming up to me. I had employees coming up to me. You know about Bitcoin, right? You invested in Bitcoin, right? How do I get some? How do I, they were so eager to buy this thing. So now that I'm seeing people that have no knowledge of this stuff at all, that have never really looked into this, that don't understand blockchain or anything, that they're trying to buy this, it is a bubble. We are in a bubble. It is part of the market cycle. And just when is this bubble going to crash? Personally, I think it's going to hit a lot more higher towards the end of the year. And if it is going to crash, it's going to be sometime next year. But that's just my personal opinion. It's not financial advice or anything. But like I said, you guys, when something goes up too fast, it's going to come down even faster. And that is exactly what we're seeing happening. So all the coins are going down naturally because of Bitcoin's value going down. So just wait a little bit. That might be a good time to buy soon. Except to let me look at Digibyte. Digibyte's still going up. Let's take a look at the coins that are going up. So, wow, that MCAP growth fund went way back up. Well, 222. It's always been at 222. Ethereum Classic, it's kind of corrected itself a little bit. All these coins corrected itself. The only coins that did not correct itself was Digibyte and the MCAP, which is quite interesting. And NEO also, as everything was going down, NEO actually shot up during this Bitcoin crash. And yeah, all the coins are down right now. Even Navcoin earlier today was at $1.82, maybe even $2, down to $1.30. If we could look for UBIC, let's see what UBIC's doing, because I made a video about UBIC. And UBIC's back down to 238. Hopefully we'll see it go down further than that. But I just want to make this video because you guys never know what's going to happen. The market's correcting itself. There's always has to be a correction. It can't go on forever. And just stay vigilant, stay grounded, don't panic sell, don't sell at a loss. Pick your positions wisely and just understand the risks. And really set your portfolio up in a way so that if Bitcoin does crash, you still have some coins that you want to hold long term that will be unaffected by the crash. So that's what I'm going to explore now. I'm going to look for more coins that are unaffected by the Bitcoin crash and that can hold their own. It looks like NEO is one of them. Maybe Ethereum Classic might be another kind of steadier one. Not as good as NEO. Maybe Digibyte. Maybe Digibyte's going to save everyone's portfolio. This crap coin that really just pooped out of existence and was dead, it's coming back. So that's very interesting. But anyway, guys, that's all I wanted to talk about. Thank you guys for tuning in. Good luck. Keep an eye on that market. Pick your positions wisely. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.